Kia ora koro, for home learning, I need to find out what the whakatauki ko te Amorangi ki mua ko te Hāpai o Community means.
Well, kōrero, it literally means the leaders, the tohunga, at the front, and the supporters are at the back. It is kawa o te marae, where the speakers are at the front of the meeting house and the workers are at the back, making sure everything is prepared so that the guests will be well looked after. Both jobs are equally important because one does not happen without the other.
Taua, what does the whakatauki ko te Amorangi ki mua ko te Hāpai o ki muri mean?
My Amorangi are my tupuna, my ancestors, my link to my taha wairoa, and all those who have gone before me, who have passed on their knowledge and taonga.
So my Amorangi is my whānau, who love, support and guide me.
Aira, when you listen.
Te
Papa, you know how I asked you last week what Ko te Amorangi ki mua, ko te Hāpai o ki muri means? Did you get a chance to think?
I have, and I wrote down a few ideas. You know the program Bows for Change, which took 12 boys from your school on a term-long program? Where they nurtured your cultural identity, supported you in a new learning, in and outside the classroom, whether it was making a pūrere hua, going diving, camping, doing dishes, karakia or haka. Well, self-esteem, self-awareness, self-respect, self-management and tikanga are the amorangi, and the bros, the matua, were the hāpai, supporting you to achieve and succeed.
Kia ora whaia. For home learning, I need to work out what the whakatauki ko te Amorangi ki mua, ko te Hāpai o ki muri means to me.
I guess if you look at where you are, your school is your Amorangi, full of leaders and experts. They are also Hāpai because we nurture, support and guide you.
So I guess as I acquire skills mā te huruhuru and fly off to continue my learning journey, ka rere te manu, I will aspire to that distant horizon, te pai tāwhiti, te iti kahurangi te Amorangi.
Kia kamakama e hene.